Welcome back to the channel. In our previous video, we explored how to upload a CSV file into BI Builder. To create a dataset, a vital step in organizing your data for analysis and reporting in BI Builder in Bitrix CRM. Today we are talking things a step further by discussing type of datasets and how to use them in businesses for generating reports. This topic will helpful to understanding various datasets options available in BI Builder, how to leverage them effectively to generate insightful and actionable businesses report. Datasets, it's nothing but BI Builder allows user to create datasets that are essential for generating reports. I will show you where the datasets are existing. You click the edit button and then go to SQL Lab. In the left side corner, see this database. Our database of BI Builder is Reno, schema is Bitrix24, and you need to aware of each table. This table arts is nothing but a dataset. We can create datasets from various sources, include CSV file. We have already discussed in the previous session. Types of datasets include products, workflows, smart process automation, Facebook ad account data, companies and contacts, activities, CRM stages, CRM item links, leads, tasks and projects, and deals, etc. Datasets creates a BI builder are integrating to reporting process. Each dataset services a unique purpose in analyzing and interpreting business data, enabling informing decision making. First, we discuss BI builder datasets for product. These are the datasets are available for products. CRM deal product row, CRM lead product row, CRM product, etc. What the importance in the BI builder? The products used for integrating to business operations. That means product datasets is essential for any business as it provides a comprehensive view of product offerings. This dataset forms the foundation for various analytics process for driven business decisions. And one more thing, this dataset encompasses detailed description for each product, including specifications, pricing, and categorization, enabling businesses to understand their product landscape fully. Performing analysis. Datasets allows for in-depth analysis of products performing metrics such as sales figure and customer feedback, which can help identify high performing products and these needing improvement. Inventory tracking. Monitoring inventory levels is crucial for effective supply chain management. The product's datasets aids in tracking stock levels, ensuring that businesses maintaining optimal inventory to meet customer demands. These are the benefits for using products datasets. Next, we go to workflow datasets. Workflow datasets are useful for in the BI Builder encapsulation process and procedures. The workflow datasets provide a comprehensive overview of various processes and procedure employed within the organization. To understand operational efficiency by analyzing the workflow datasets, organization can gain insights into their operational efficiency, identify areas for improvement. Workflow dataset plays a crucial role in pinpointing areas that require enhancement. By evaluating the data, organizations can implement targeted strategies to address weaknesses and foster continuous improvement. So these are the benefits for using workflow datasets. Next we go to smart process automations datasets. This is the dataset smart processing automation. Just we recap what the benefits of smart processing automation. Focus on automation workflows. That means the smart processing automation datasets is designed specifically to automate workflows across various business operations. By leveraging technology, it minimizes the need for manual intervention, thereby streamlining tasks and improving efficiency. Enhancing productivity. By automatic repeated tasks, the dataset significantly enhance productivity. Employee can focus on higher level activities, leading to improved job satisfaction and overall organization performance. Reduce manual errors. Manual processes are prone to errors which can result in costly repercussions. That integration of smart process automation reduce this risk by ensuring the tasks are performing consistently and accurately. So these are the benefits if using smart process automation datasets. Facebook ad account data. I will show you how we Facebook ads data landing into the BA builder. Just we go to BA builder user interface, click the analytical hub and click the connections. In that connections, click the create. See this Facebook and Google ads. So you connect your Facebook account, business Facebook account. So whatever the ads data landing into the BI builder, and then you can create the data sets. By using the data sets, prepare the charts and dashboard. Let's see what are the benefits for Facebook ads data when we creating the data set. Importance of Facebook ads account data. That means data set is a crucial for understanding effectively for digital marketing efforts. It allows marketers to track performance metrics that reveal how well their ads are performing across various segments. Target audience refinement. The datasets allows for detailed segmentation of the audience based on demographic, interests, and behaviors. This refinement enabling more personalization ad targeting, leading to improved engagement rates. Insights into audience engagement. By analyzing the Facebook ad account data, businesses can gain valuable insights into how their target audiences interact with their ads, include engagement rates, click-through rates, and conversion metrics which guide future marketing strategies. Like that, lot of benefits are there. You need to connect the Facebook ads. Again, we go to another data sets. What the benefits if you using companies and contact? We can see the companies table, and then we can see contacts. So what are the benefits if you using the companies and clients? Crucial information about clients. The datasets encompasses vital details regarding both existing clients and potential prospects. This information is instrumental for organization aiming to tailor their services, understanding client needs, and enhance overall customer satisfaction. Other benefits are essential for building relationships. A robust dataset facilitates the development of strong relationship with clients and leads. By having access to comprehensive data, businesses can engage in meaningful interaction that foster trust and loyalty. Important for managing sales pipelines, the datasets plays a pivotal role in efficiently managing sales pipeline. With accurate data on companies and contacts, sales teams can track progress, forecast sales, and identify opportunity for growth. So lot of benefits if you are using companies and contacts as per your business rules. These are the contacts datasets are available in the BA Builder. Next, we go to activities section. Let's see what are the benefits for if you using the activities. The activities datasets is designed to monitoring log every interaction with clients, providing a comprehensive overview of customer touchpoints. This helps business understanding the frequency and the nature of these interactions, enabling better engagement strategies. Key to understanding customer behavior. By analyzing the activity datasets, companies can gain valuable insights into the customer performance and behaviors. This knowledge is crucial for tailoring marketing efforts and enhancing the overall customer experiences. Like that, lot of datasets are available in the BA Builder. Task and projects datasets are available. Leads datasets are available. These are the leads datasets, and deals datasets also available. So like that, you need to prefer the datasets as per your business rule, and then we create a dashboard. So these are the importance of datasets for managing in, in intentively. Datasets for leads, tasks, and projects are essential for tracking and managing ongoing initiatively effectively. They provide crucial insights that allow organization to monitoring progress, allocate resources wisely, and make information decisions. Thank you for tuning in. We hope this video clarified types of datasets, how they can help you create a powerful business reports in Bitrix CRM. If you enjoy the content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more helpful tutorials. Have questions or ideas for future topics? Let us know in the comments. We do love to hear from you. Thank you.